Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about the verb to walk. To walk in Lingala is kutambula. Nazo tambula. I am walking. Ozo tambula. You are walking. Azo tambula. He or she is walking. Tozo tambula. We are walking. Bozo tambula. You are walking. Bazo tambula. They are walking. The word for road is balabala. You can also say nzela or prince. Thank you. Please subscribe to Lingala Institute channel, Jonas Lusa. This one is Jonas Lusa. The other main one is Lingala Institute, but we'll still say Lingala Institute. Thanks a lot.